Hi, welcome to another Karen Co tutorial. Nothing pulls at our heartstrings more than these adorable glass heart bead keychains. Complete with a handy dandy clip, these shimmering hearts are bound to be your next crafting obsession. Follow along to learn how to make them. All the supplies and written instructions can be found on our website, as well as a detailed pattern to help you along. Let's get crafting. Alright, to make your own beaded heart keychain, you will need two 60-inch cut lengths of 0.5 elastic cording, one 30-inch cut length of 0.5 elastic cording, 80 faceted glass beads, one strand, one J-hook clip, beading needle, scissors, and super glue. This will be optional. Alright, taking one of your cut 60-inch lengths of cording, thread on one glass bead, placing it in the middle of your cord length. Following the pattern diagram on our website, add on your beads, weaving your string through as you go. As you work, make sure you keep your string pulled tight. Following the pattern, make two heart shapes. Place your hearts beside each other on your work surface. Take your 30-inch length of cord and thread a bead onto it, placing the bead in the middle of your cord. Starting at the bottom point of your heart, take one end of the cord and thread it up through the bottom bead of one of your flat heart shapes. Repeat this step with your other cord, starting in the same spot on your second heart. Continue weaving new beads to connect the pieces together. Make sure you refer to the pattern on our website. When you arrive at the top rounded edge of the heart, thread on your hardware. Continue weaving all the way around your heart until you meet the place where you started. Tie a tight knot and trim your ends. You can also use your super glue on the knots for extra security. We hope you enjoyed crafting with us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to see our video tutorials, or head to our website for endless inspiration and supplies. Happy crafting!